Understanding JSON responses from APIs.
JSON is a popular data format used for communication between APIs and clients. When you work with web APIs, they often return data in JSON. Learning how to read these responses is crucial for diagnosing problems, spotting errors, and ensuring your application works smoothly with external services.
Common JSON response problems.
Typical issues with JSON responses include malformed JSON, unexpected data structures, missing fields, or error messages from the API. Sometimes, the response may be incomplete or unreadable by your application. Recognizing these problems is the first step toward finding a solution.
Detecting and interpreting API errors.
APIs often communicate errors through specific JSON fields, such as error, message, or status. You might see codes like 400 or 404 in the response. Carefully inspect these fields to understand what went wrong. Always check the API's documentation for guidance on decoding these error messages.
Fixing malformed or unexpected JSON.
If the JSON is malformed, meaning it isn't properly formatted, parsing will fail. Use tools like JSON validators to quickly spot syntax errors. If the structure is different from what you expect, verify your code's request and consult the API docs to match field names, types, and nesting correctly.
Preventing and handling JSON issues.
To avoid future issues, always validate JSON responses before using the data. Implement error handling in your code to manage unexpected responses gracefully. Logging API responses and errors can make troubleshooting much easier. Keeping these practices in mind will help make your API integrations reliable and robust.